Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2020 Volvo XC90 T8? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2020 Volvo XC90 T8 hybrid powers and protects key systems like the engine control module, cooling fan, and hybrid components. It ensures efficient operation and safety of underhood electrical systems. Fuse box under the glove compartment. The fuses under the glove compartment in the 2020 Volvo XC90 control and protect interior electronics like infotainment, climate control, and power sockets. They ensure safe and reliable operation of cabin-related systems. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2020 Volvo XC90 manages and protects electrical components like rear lights, power tailgate, and trailer module. It ensures proper functioning of rear end and cargo area systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.